Hello everyone, welcome to ALM. Are you looking for super quality bi-directional lead schools? ALM can meet all your challenging design requirements. Bi-directional lead school is a good choice when you need to move two nuts in opposite directions through a motor. This lead screw diameter is 14 mm. Popular lead is 20 mm, 25 mm, 30 mm, 35 mm, 40 mm. The lead screw material is stainless steel. The nut material is POM. You can also get brass nut material from us. As you can see, this lead screw runs very smoothly and quickly. Lead screw shaft end and nut shape can be produced according to your requirement. Our lead screws are 100% inspected before shipping. Welcome to inquiry.